Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. For those who are interested, I have an original comic online that you can read for free. It's called Let's Play. You can read it at letsplaycomic.com. I also wanted to give a big thank you to those who let me film them. There were a lot of great costumes at Planet Comic-Con this year. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to tear myself away from the booth long enough to film everybody, but hopefully I got a lot of good ones for this video. Thanks again for watching.